Today, we're diving into what makes this beast a timeless icon. Let us start with the design. The Cobra 427 has one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. Carroll Shelby designed it to look like a predator on wheels, low, wide, and menacing. The muscular fenders, exposed side pipes, and lightweight aluminum body give it an aggressive, yet elegant presence. The bold front grille and that iconic Cobra badge symbolize a car built not just for beauty, but for blistering performance. But what's under the hood is what truly makes the Shelby Cobra 427 legendary. It's powered by a Ford 7.0-liter V8 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 425 horsepower. That might not sound revolutionary today, but back in the 1960s, this was pure rocket science for the streets. This engine made the Cobra capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Combine that with a top speed of over 160 miles per hour, and you've got a machine built to dominate the racetrack and the highway alike. Inside the cockpit, the Cobra is all about function over form. Forget luxury you want to find plush seats or high-tech gadgets here. Instead, you get a no-frills layout, bucket seats, a wood-rimmed steering wheel, and analog gauges. Every detail screams race car. This simplicity makes it a driver's car, where you feel every vibration and hear every growl from the engine. Now, let us rewind to the origins of this masterpiece. In 1965, Carroll Shelby, a former race car driver turned automotive genius, had a vision. He took the lightweight AC Ace body from England and married it with Ford's high-performance V8 engine. The result, a car that not only challenged, but crushed European competitors on the track. The Cobra 427 dominated competitions like the FIA World Manufacturers Championship, proving that American engineering could stand toe-to-toe with the best in the world. Only 348 original Cobra 427s were ever produced, making it one of the most sought-after collector cars today. At auctions, these cars can fetch millions of dollars, reflecting their timeless appeal and scarcity. But for enthusiasts, it's more than just a car, it's a symbol of an era when driving was pure, raw, and exhilarating. The Shelby Cobra 427 isn't just a car. It's an experience, a legacy, and a testament to what happens when passion and engineering collide. It's a reminder that sometimes, the loudest roar comes from the heart of a true icon.